It is 7:20 in the morning. And I woke up a little later than I wanted to, but the kids are still sleeping. I had a couple of things I wanted to do. I'm gonna have my coffee and I'm gonna get the schoolroom together because we are gonna do a little bit of school today. So I'm in the schoolroom and it is a mess. I just put on a video on YouTube and I am going to get busy with everything that needs to be done in here. So that way when they are awake, everything is ready to go. They can eat breakfast, we can come in here and get the day started. I have been able to get the schoolroom all cleaned up, had a little time to sit here and be on my phone for a little bit, be on the computer for a little bit, and now it is 8:38, so I'm gonna go ahead and start fixing breakfast. One of my kids has been up for about 30 minutes. We're just gonna get the day started. I'm gonna get ready. I'm just gonna gather my life. That's what I'm gonna do, and this is gonna be a great day. I can already feel it. So I feel accomplished already, and it's only 8:30, well, 8:40 now, so 10 out of 10 recommend that you get up before the kids and get things done because you will feel accomplished in your whole day. Sit. Oh my God. Good. Okay, so the kids are eating, and while they do that, I am going to get ready for the day. I'm going to start by making my bed, and then I am going to go in the bathroom, fix my hair, put a little makeup on. The day started. So let's get that done. So I am all dressed and ready for the day. I am going to go out and get my son dressed, and then we are going to get busy with school. So you guys are going to get to see a little bit of how we do school. I've had a couple of other videos that I will link so you guys can watch, kind of see like a day in the life of homeschool. And I do plan on going more in depth about how we do it and like just how it really works for us. And how it changes, because it does change often, but that is the plus side to homeschooling. Like, it doesn't have to look the same every day or every week, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna quit talking and we're gonna go get things done. I'm gonna skip this part because this is the most popular types of apples in the world.
All the yellows.
I keep mine. And the quarter is much bigger than any of them.
Both of us?
No, you are.
I'm gonna watch this over again.
Okay, so this is
Tic-tac-toe.
3 in a row. Okay, so we're Okay, so the baby just woke up from his nap and we're taking a break at the moment from school so I can make the kids their snack boxes for the day. That way, whenever my son, when I go get him, he has food immediately and we don't have to listen to him scream and throw a fit because there's no food ready for him. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare their snack boxes and show you guys how I do that. Snack boxes are made. Now I'm gonna go grab my son, and I'm sure the kids are gonna want their snack boxes while they do school. So the rule here is normally I try to have it made by 11 a.m. It's almost noon, so I was a little late with that today. They are allowed to get their snack boxes at 11 and after, and once all their snacks are gone out of their snack boxes, there are no more snacks given for the rest of the day. I'm telling you, 10 out of 10 recommend that you make snack boxes for your kids. It has been such a game changer. The kids have followed the rules great. They know that if they ask for another snack after their snack is gone, they get one less snack the next day. So they have the freedom to eat their snack whenever they want. Doesn't matter. They can eat it all in one go or they can space it out through the day. But once it's gone, it's done. They have done amazing with it. I feel like it gives them the freedom to make the right decision. I don't have to be like, you know, yelling, telling them, stop asking me for snacks. It's not an issue. And they have definitely learned how to practice patience and pacing themselves in eating their snacks. So I love it. And I'm so glad that it was recommended to me because it's been honestly life-changing. And we haven't gone through our snacks as quickly as we normally do. So like I said, I'm going to go get my son. I'm going to go ahead and continue with the school day.
Okay. Look. My goldfish. It's a swimming fish.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's going into the cave. Ow.
All right. Kid approved?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let's get busy with school. We are done with school for the day, but now I am going to get dinner prepped and I am going to clean the kitchen up. It's not much of a mess, so I want to just like get it done. And then I'm going to throw a load of laundry in and your girl is chilling for the rest of the night. And we're probably going to watch a movie. The kids are going to sleep with me again. And we're just going to have a nice chill night. It's been a really good day so far. So let's continue on the positive path and get some things done.
You can watch me glow.
So I've got the kitchen clean. I threw in a load of laundry, as you guys saw, and dinner is prepped. I was not able to show that on camera because my camera got too hot and it shut off by itself. But that's okay because it's prepped, it's ready to go. So all I have to do is set it and forget it when it's time to eat. The kids are playing outside and I'm going to go grab my son who just woke up from his second nap. It is time to relax and hang out with the family and just finish our day off strong. It's been an amazing day. Once again, thank you guys so much for coming to my channel and watching this video. And also a huge welcome to all of my new subscribers. I am so glad to have you guys here. Thank you guys for taking the time to check out all my shorts, all of my videos, and comment to me. It's been awesome talking to you guys and responding. I love that. Keep it coming. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notified. I am posting twice a week. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is the channel for all things homemaking, homeschooling, and motherhood. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.